Welcome to the class on Total Quality Management. The objectives for today's class are to understand the concept of total quality management and learn the importance of quality in the product and service industry. Total quality management is an enhancement to the traditional way of doing business. It is a proven technique to guarantee survival in the world-class competition. Only by changing the actions of management will the culture and actions of an entire organization be transformed through TQM. TQM is thus an art of managing the business to achieve excellence. It can also be defined as a set of philosophy and a set of guiding principles that represent the foundation of a continuously improving organization. In the total quality management effort, all members of the organization participate in the improving processes, products, services, and the culture in which they work. There are some important concepts of total quality management. These six concepts which we're going to learn are extremely important to maintain quality in the organization. The first one is a committed and involved management to provide long-term, top-to-bottom organizational support. A focus on customer is extremely important, both the customers, internal as well as external. The internal customers are those such as your employees, suppliers, stakeholders, and the external customers are those who pay price for your product or service. So a focus on internal as well as external customer is important to maintain the quality. The next one is effective utilization and involvement of the workforce or the human resource that you have. A continuous improvement of the business and production processes is important to maintain quality management. The next component is treating your suppliers as partners. This concept also is extremely important. A partnering relationship is important, and also the profit sharing may be done with the suppliers. And the last concept is establishing performance measures for the processes. Some of the examples could be having customer feedbacks from the customers or measuring the non-conforming components. Let us look at what is quality. Quality is the degree to which an object or entity satisfies a specified set of attributes or requirements. Creating a wow moment for the customer could be an example of quality. We can define the total quality management as a sum of quality control and quality assurance. Quality control is a process through which a business ensures that the product quality is maintained or improved, and quality assurance is assuring customers through various certifications about the quality of the product. Some of the processes could be certifications like ISO 9000, which assures the quality of your processes and your products. So quality control and quality assurance together make total quality management. Quality is generally referred to as a parameter which decides the inferiority or the superiority of a product or service. Quality means conformance to the requirements. When a product or service exceeds our expectations, we consider it to be of good quality. Therefore, quality is an intangible expression which is based on the perception of the individual. It can also be defined as fitness for use, or conformance to requirements. Let us look at some of the dimensions of quality. The first one is conformance. What do you mean by conformance? Meeting the specifications of the customer or the industry standards is conformance. For example, the workmanship of a particular product. Performance. Performance means primary product functions such as clarity of voice received in the mobile phone or a radio. The next dimension is the features. Features are added functions or secondary functions of a product, such as recording system in a television set. Durability or lifetime of the product is the fourth dimension. Reliability, the probability of the product performing its intended duty under stated conditions without failure for a given period of time decides the reliability of the product. Serviceability, the speed, courtesy, competence, and ease of repair defines the serviceability. The next dimension is reputation. Customers' perception about the product, which can be understood from the market survey, can be defined as the reputation. Aesthetics, the external finish given to a product to attract the customer, or the look of the product is the aesthetics, which also defines quality. And the last dimension is the response. It means human to human interface, such as the courtesy of a dealer while resolving a particular problem. The above dimensions were proposed to help the quality analysis by breaking down the word quality into manageable parts, so that the management can define the quality and accordingly serve the customer. What is a quality plan? A quality plan describes how an organization will achieve its quality objectives. It is a document, or there are several documents that together specify the quality standards, practices, resources, specification, and the sequence of activities relevant to a particular product, project, or a contract. It also describes the quality objectives and specifies the quality assurance and control activities to be performed in day-to-day company operations. The various components of quality plan are objectives to be attained. For example, characteristics or specification, uniformity, effectiveness, aesthetics, cycle time, cost, natural resources, utilization, dependability, etc. There could be various objectives which we need to achieve through the quality plans. Steps in the processes that constitute the operating practice or procedures of the organization. Allocation of responsibilities, authority, and resources during the phases of the process or the project. Specific documented standards, practices, procedures, and instructions to be applied all are specified in the quality plan to achieve the particular project or objectives. Suitable testing, inspection, examination, and audit programs at appropriate stages are carried out in the quality plan so that the quality objectives are achieved. A documented procedure for changes and modifications to a quality plan as per the process is improved. It also includes a method for measuring the achievement of the quality objectives. The quality plans also include other actions which are necessary to meet the objectives of the organization. Please attempt the quiz on quality. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening to my class.